The TimChic baby swing soothes infants with 5 natural sway motions and 12 calming melodies, perfect for newborns up to 12 months or under 20 pounds. Its auto-rocking detection gently swings when your baby moves and stays still when quiet, making comforting effortless. The elegant wood grain finish in pink fits seamlessly into any home. Designed for safety and convenience, it features a 5-point harness, extra padding, and adjustable speeds. Control it hands-free via the touch panel or remote, with timers set for 8, 15, or 30 minutes. Lightweight and portable, it works indoors or outdoors with a power bank. If you want reliable comfort and easy use, this swing is worth a look.